Alright dear children, welcome back to the class. In this video, we'll discuss about important questions on coordinate geometry, and this is the part 1. And the topic what we have chosen for this video is a distance formula, right? There are three topics, no? Distance formula, section formula, and area of triangle in the chapter coordinate geometry. But in this video, the questions whatever I am solving, I have picked all those questions based upon this distance formula. There are different varieties of formulae. There are variety of problems based upon this distance formula. We'll discuss all those problems in this video. All right, let us keep on taking the questions. I'll write a question, then you pause the video and you try to solve that question. And if you don't get the answer, then the solution, as usual, it follows. The first question is like this. Find the distance between the points. Find the distance between the points 2, 3 and minus 3, 2. All right, this is quite a simple question. Let me call this as point A, and this is having coordinates 2, 3, and let me take one more point B here. The coordinates of this is minus 3, 2. Let me call it as x1, y1, and this one as x2, y2. All right, you know the formula, distance formula, right? So AP is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. All right, then I'm inputting all these values. X2 is minus 3. You can have a look here. X2 is minus 3, then x1 is minus 2. Minus is there, no? X2 minus x1, then whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is 2 minus 3 whole square. All right, so it becomes under root minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 whole square plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1, then whole square. All right, so it becomes under root minus 5 whole square is 25 plus minus 1 whole square is 1. So it becomes under root 26 units. All right, so the distance is going to be under root 26 units. So this was a quite simple question, the first one. Now let us move on to the second question. The second question is like this. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of a point. Coordinates of a point on x-axis. Find the coordinates of a point on x-axis which is equidistant. From 2, 3 and 3, 4. All right, so let us try to understand this. We have to find a point on x-axis. On a x-axis means, look at this. On x-axis there is a point like this. Let me call this point as A. So what are the coordinates of this point? The coordinates of this point is going to be x, 0, right? On x-axis means, you understand, no? For example, this is a y-axis and this is x-axis. On x-axis, wherever you go, there is x coordinate. For example, this is x1 and the y coordinate is 0, and this is x2 and y coordinate is 0, and if you come here also, it is minus, no? Some minus x, 0. So y coordinate is always 0. All right, I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to say. So that's why a point on the x-axis is having the coordinates x, 0, and this point is equidistant from 2, 3 and 3, 4. That means there is a point here, that is B. So let me take it as 2, 3, and there is one more point here, C, which is 3, 4. All right, so from A to B and A to C, this distance are same. That's what they are saying. So that is like AB is equal to AC. All right, so this is what is the given data, no? So they are equidistant, so that they are asking us to find this value of x. All right, so what you can do, you can call both these points as x1, y1, and here also you can take it as x1, y1 only, and similarly you can take it as x2, y2. All right, don't think like that this x1, y1 and this x1, y1 are both are same. While calculating this AB distance from A to B, from this point to this point, we'll consider this as x1, y1, and from A to C, we'll consider this as x1, y1. Just to make it simple for you, I have written like that. All right, so then what is the value of AB? AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1. No? X2 means x is there, minus x1 is 2, then it becomes whole square. All right, plus y2 minus y1 whole square means 0 minus 3 whole square. All right, so that is equal to AC. AC means from this point A to this point C. Then it becomes under root, tell me, x minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. All right, so this is square root and square root, they will get cancelled, no? I mean, if you send this square root that side, it becomes a whole square. There also square and square root will get cancelled. So rather than that, you can cancel here only. So what we are remaining with? We are remaining with x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 is minus 3 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 4 is minus 4 whole square. All right. So a minus b whole square means it is a square plus b square minus 2ab. All right, 2ab, then plus minus 3 whole square is 9, and that is equal to again a minus b whole square means it becomes a square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab means 2 into x into 3, then plus minus 4 whole square is 16. All right, so I mean let us try to simplify this. It becomes x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 9 is equal to x square plus 9 minus 6x plus 16. All right, x square and x square, they get cancelled, and here 9 and 9, they get cancelled. What we are remaining with? We are remaining with 4 minus 4x is equal to minus 6x plus 16. All right, so let me keep minus 4x here only, minus 4x, and let me bring this minus 6x this side. So it becomes minus 4x plus 6x is equal to 16 is there only, 4 I am taking that side I mean right side. So then it becomes minus 4. All right, so I hope you are getting the calculation. 6x minus 4x is 2x. 2x is equal to 16 minus 4 is 12. All right, then I am going to get x is equal to 12 divided by 2. So that is 2 ones are 2 6 are. Then I am going to get x is equal to 6. So therefore the point on x-axis, the point on x-axis is 6 comma 0, because on x-axis y coordinate is 0 already I have told you. All right, see one more time, let me tell you here, dear children, whatever this x1 y1 I am taking these just to make it sure that while calculating AB you have one pattern, that is like x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, all under root square root is there, and here also x minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. It becomes easy, no? So that's why I have considered them like that. So whenever such problems are coming, you have to consider them like that. All right, so moving forward to third question, let us have a look at this third question. So what is this third question? Find the distance of the point minus 3 comma 4 from x-axis. Okay, please try to understand this. Minus 3 comma 4 means, I mean, from x-axis means from which point? That is also very important, no? Yes, for example, this is a, I mean, all this positive x-axis, negative x-axis, we have a 0, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and here it is minus 1, minus 2, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, and all it comes. Minus 3 comma 4 means where it comes, tell me. Minus 3 comma 4 means minus 3 is here and 4 is here. Here it comes, no? Minus 3 comma 4, this is the point. All right, so this is the point with coordinates minus 3 comma 4. So I have to find the distance from x-axis. From the x-axis means, I mean, this entire axis is x-axis. I mean, we cannot find out like that, no? Always we go for this perpendicular distance. So that's why we have to go for this distance. Now how much is this distance? You can easily say by looking at this diagram. So this is 4 units, no? Are you understanding my point? Because look at this, from here to here, how many units it is? 4 units. So here I am going to have it as 4 units, but still you do it with the distance formula. So what are the coordinates of this point? So this is like minus 3 comma 0. All right, so I got 2 points. Which are they? One is like this point, no? Here is the point. So here I have got 1 point. So what are the coordinates of this point? Let me call it as A, and the coordinates of this point is minus 3 comma 4. All right, I am going to have another point B, which is like minus 3 comma 0. Here it is. Here it is minus 3 comma 0. Alright, now let us find out this distance. Let me call this as x1 y1 and this one as x2 y2, and let me find out the distance. AB is equal to, what is the formula? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. From the x-axis, if they're asking directly, you take this point. I mean, whichever is there, I mean down of this vertically, you have to take that point. Alright, so then under root x2 means minus 3 and x1 is, look at this x1, what is this x1? This is minus 3, minus of minus 3, then it becomes whole square. Alright, please try to understand this. Okay, x2 is minus 3, minus x1 means minus of minus 3, plus then it becomes y2 minus y1, 0 minus 4 whole square, 0 minus 4 whole square. Alright, so that is equal to under root minus 3 plus 3 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. Alright, so under root minus 3 plus 3 is 0 square, then plus minus 4 whole square is 16. So 0 square is 0 only. So 0 plus 16 is 16 under root 16. Under root 16 is 4. I told you, no? So the answer is going to be 4 units. So that's why, I mean, see, look at this. I mean, this is 4 units, no? But mathematically, by using this distance formula, this is how you can solve this. Alright, so let's move on to the fourth question. Let us have a look at this fourth question. The question is like this. Find the relation between x and y such that point x comma y is equidistant. X comma y is equidistant from 2 comma 3 and minus 4 comma 5. Okay, let us understand this problem. I mean, there is a point called x comma y. Okay, let me call this as point A, and this is x comma y, and it is equidistance from what are the points? This is equidistance from 2 points. Let me call one point as B, that is 2 comma 3, another point C, minus 4 comma 5. All right, so again the same thing. I mean, these are equidistant, means AB is equal to AC. All right, so let me take this as a x1 comma y1, and this one also as a x1 comma y1, and this is the common point. You can take it as x2 comma y2. All right, you can consider this as x1 y1 and this two as x2 y2 and x2 y2. Like that also you can do. There is no issue, because ultimately we are doing the square, no? So as you want, you can do it. And equidistance means, you know that AB is equal to AC. All right, so what is the value of AB? AB is like under root, I mean, x2 minus x1 whole square means, you understand, no? X2 means, look at this, x. All right, and minus 2, x minus 2 whole square, correct, plus, and y2 is y2 is y here, and minus 3, y minus 3 whole square, and that is equal to AC means under root, I mean, x2 is x, no? So x, and x1 is minus 4, minus of minus 4, then whole square, correct, no? So x2 minus x1 means minus 4, minus of minus 4 it becomes, no? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means y2 is again y. All right, y minus y1 is 5, so y minus 5 whole square. All right, so here square root and square root, they will get cancelled, and afterwards I am going to have this as x minus 2 whole square. What is remaining here? X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. All right, so a minus b whole square means it is a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into x into 2 plus y minus 3 whole square means again a minus b whole square it is, no? So it becomes a square plus b square minus 2ab. All right, and that is equal to a plus b whole square it is. All right, I will write equal here, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into x into 4 plus then a minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into y into 5. So x square they get cancelled, and y square they get cancelled. Now what happens, let us see that. 2 square is 4, all right. Then minus 2 into x into 2 is 4x, all right. Then plus 3 square is 9 minus 6y, all right. So that is equal to 4 square is 16, this one, and 2 into x into 4 is 8x, then plus 25, then minus 10y, all right. So let us make all the x on one side. First of all, let us add this 4 and 9. What is 4 and 9? 4 and 9 is 13. 13 minus 4x minus 6y is equal to 16 plus 25. So what is the value of 16 plus 25? That is going to be 41, then plus 8x, then minus 10y. Let us make this x and y, x and y on one side. So whatever this minus 4x and minus 6y is, let me write that minus 4x minus 6y, and let me bring this. So that becomes minus 8x plus 10y. Okay, so that is equal to 41. Let us keep it there only, and 13 I am sending that side. All right, so minus 4x minus 8x is minus 12x. Then minus 6y plus 10y is plus 4y, and that is equal to 11 minus 3 18, 1 is the carry, 4 minus 2 28. Okay, now afterwards if you want to reverse it, otherwise you can take 4 common here. If you take 4 common, what is remaining here? Minus 3x, right? So minus 3x, then plus y, minus 3x plus y, that is equal to 28. 4 ones are 4 sevens are, all right. So this one you can write it as minus 3x plus y is equal to 7. This is the relation, and otherwise you can write it as y, you can keep it y here only, and minus 3x that side, means it becomes 7 plus 3x. Or you can also write it as y is equal to 3x plus 7 also, 3x plus 7 also, all right. So this is how you have to, there will be some options given, no? In that options they would have mentioned some equation and all. According to that you have to take the option. Right now they are asking us to find the relation. This is the relation, and this is also the relation, this is also the relation, all right. But this seems much good, no? It seems in a standard form, so that's why we should be able to put everything in the standard form, all right. So I think you must have understood this fourth question. So now let us move on to the fifth question. Let us have a look at this fifth question. All right, so what is this fifth question? Fifth question is like this: if a 4 3 b minus 1 y and c 3 4 are the vertices of a right triangle, right angled at a, find the value of y. All right, let us have a look at this. There is a right triangle, that is for sure. Okay, and there is a right triangle like this. Let me draw the right triangle like this. So here is a right triangle what we have. So in that it is right angled at a, they are saying, means here is a. Okay, and you can take this as b, all right, and this one as c. What are the coordinates of a? A is like 4 3. Let me write 4 3, all right. Then afterwards b is minus 1 y, and c is 3 4, all right. Now they're asking us to find the value of y. Now you know this fundamental. So what is that? That is like bc square. Pythagoras theorem. By applying Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, by using this Pythagoras theorem, what we can write? We can write that, so this bc square, so this bc square is equal to ab square plus ac square, no? This is hypotenuse. bc square is equal to ab square plus ac square. So by using that formula you can easily find out. All right, so first of all let us try to find out this bc square value. All right, so first of all find out this bc square value. So bc square is equal to, square means that square root will be gone, no? So bc, let us try to find out this bc value first of all. So where is it? To find out this bc, you can draw it separately also, or directly you can do it. So under root, you can take this as x2 y2 and this as x1 y1, correct, no? So for time, according to that you should be able to take it directly. Now there are so many things here, no? So that's what directly you should be able to do. So that is like 3 minus of minus 1 whole square, correct? 3 minus of minus 1 whole square, then plus 4 minus y whole square. Alright, so then this is the BC value, then whole square means you have to put this whole square, then square and square root, they get cancelled, correct now? So it becomes BC square is equal to 3 plus 1 whole square plus, and what is this? This is 4 minus y, no? So 4 minus y whole square, 4 minus y whole square. For timing, let us keep it like this only, BC square. Alright, so similarly, after finding this BC square, let us find out one more thing. So what is that? That is AB square. So let us find out AB square. In AB square, what it becomes? 4 minus of minus 1, correct? So AB square is equal to, so that is like a square root, and it becomes 4 minus of minus 1. Look at that, 4 minus of minus 1 whole square plus, then afterwards 3 minus y whole square. So it becomes 3 minus y whole square. All right, and then this square is there, so square and square root, they get cancelled. So what is the value of AB square I'm getting? So AB square is equal to 4 plus 1 whole square plus 3 minus y whole square. So it becomes AB square is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5 square plus 3 minus y whole square. So ultimately it becomes AB square is equal to 5 square is 25, 25 plus 3 minus y whole square. So what is this? This is AB square. Alright, now let us try to find out this AC square also from A to C. So AC square, let us find out that AC square. Alright, so AC square is equal to, again under root is there as usual. So AC square means you can take this as x2 y2 or this as x2 y2, that is up to you. For here only directly you can do, no, 4 minus 3 whole square. So what it becomes? 4 minus 3 whole square plus, then afterwards what it becomes? 3 minus 4 whole square. Alright, so it becomes 3 minus 4 whole square. So ultimately it becomes 4 minus 3 is 1 square, and 3 minus 4 is minus 1, that is minus 1 whole square under root 1 plus 1, and that is equal to root 2. So AC square is equal to root 2. So look at this, whatever I am putting all these boxes and all, so those are very important for us. Alright, so according to the formula, what is there? BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Now, so let me write that one more time. So what is that? BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Alright, so now let us try to get the value of BC square. So what is the value of BC square? BC square is here. So that is like 3 plus 1 whole square. 3 plus 1 whole square is like, this is 4 square only, no? So 3 plus 1 whole square is like 4 square only. Plus I haven't solved that. And and again we have 4 minus y whole square. Alright, so 4 minus y whole square. Alright, and that is equal to AB square. So where is AB square? Here is AB square, 25 plus 3 minus y whole square, 25 plus 3 minus y whole square. Alright, that is AB square. And next we have AC square. AC square is like look at this, this is, we would have done AC square is like we would have done this square also, no? So square and square root, it got cancelled. This is not there, this square root is not there, this square root is also not there, this square root is also not there. Alright, so what is remaining here? Only 2 is remaining. So all these mistakes whenever we are making while solving the problems, we should be rectifying them. Alright, so AC square is like 2 only. Now I hope everybody got this, no, dear children? I hope everybody is getting this, what I am trying to do here. Alright, the first thing is like a BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square, that is a Pythagoras theorem. Then afterwards we found out this BC square, then AB square, then AC square, and substituted all these values. Please try to watch it carefully. Then what is the value of 4 square? 4 square is 16 plus, and 4 minus y whole square means a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and that is equal to 25 plus 2 is 27. Alright, plus a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Alright, so it becomes 16 plus y square minus 8y, and that is equal to 27 plus 9 plus y square minus 6y. 16 plus 16 is 32. 32 plus I mean you can cancel this y square and y square here only, no? So 32 and minus 8y is equal to what it becomes. It becomes 27 plus 9. So 27 plus 9 is 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. 1 is the carry, 36. 36 minus 6y. All right, so let me keep 32 here and bring that minus 36 this side. I mean 36 this side, it becomes minus 36, and that is equal to minus 6y plus 8y. All right, so this is equal to minus 4 and is equal to 2y. All right, so y is equal to, it becomes minus 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, then the value of y is going to be minus 2. All right, so this was quite a lengthy problem, but this kind of question can be asked for 4 marks. All right, so whenever they are saying right angle means, I mean right triangle means definitely I mean there is a concept of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and you should not be making any mistakes here. BC means this whatever under root is there, this whole thing will come. But BC square means this square will come and this square and square root will get cancelled. You should be having idea of that. We made one mistake there, no? So AC square, when I was taking, I did not take this whole square. So I mean if you take this whole square and square root, so they will get cancelled with each other, then I'm going to get the plain answer here. All right, I hope this is very clear to all of you. All right, so I mean like this there are so many kinds of questions, dear children. I mean based upon this there will be lengthy questions also. Then you should be able to do that. Let us do one more question. See, your calculation skill should be very good here. Okay, all your algebra should be I mean it should be nice to solve these kind of questions. Let us get on to the sixth question. That is like this: prove that the points 7 comma 10 minus 2 comma 5 and 3 comma minus 4 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. All right, try to understand this. There is a triangle. All right, there is a triangle given like this. Okay, now this triangle is having these coordinates. All right, different coordinates are there. A, you can call it as 7 comma 10, and next is B, which is minus 2 comma 5, and this is C, which is 3 comma minus 4. All right, isosceles triangle means any two sides should be equal, no? First of all, let us try to find out this AB. All right, so AB is equal to, now you know, right? So this one is x1 y1, you can consider this as x2 y2, or vice versa also you can consider. That is up to you. All right, now without looking at that, how we can do that? AB is equal to, I mean under root, it becomes 7 minus of minus 2 whole square. You can do like this: 7 minus of minus 2 whole square plus then 10 minus 5 whole square. All right, so this is like AB. So let us find out this. This is under root 7 plus 2 whole square plus 10 minus 5 is 5 whole square. 7 plus 2 is 9, so that is 9 square, plus this 5 square is 25, so that is like under root. All right, so 9 square is 81. 81 plus 25, so it becomes under root I think 106 units, right? So the value of AB is 106 units. All right, so this is AB we got. Now after that, let us try to find out this BC also. So BC is equal to under root, you can directly do here. What is that? 3 minus of minus 2 whole square. All right, 3 minus of minus 2 whole square plus minus 4 minus 5 whole square. Minus 4 minus 5 whole square. I hope you are getting it what I am writing here. Then that is equal to under root 3 plus 2 whole square, right? Then plus minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9 whole square. All right, so 3 plus 2 is 5, no? So 5 whole square is 25 plus minus 9 whole square is 81. Now if you add them, that is also under root 106 centimeter. All right, so BC is like under root 106 centimeter. This AB is under root 106 units. I mean not centimeter, units. I'm sorry. This is not centimeter. Okay, so this is some units. so some units is there, and this is also under root 106 means definitely they must be, I mean, isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal, no? So then they are going to be the sides of isosceles triangle. If you want, you can find out this AC also. So if AC also becomes under root 106 means it becomes equilateral triangle. All right, but they're asking for isosceles, no? So we have got what we got. We got AB is equal to BC. So hence proved. Okay. So these are the vertices of the right, I mean not right triangle, I mean isosceles triangle. All right. So you should be having the idea of that question also. All right. Let us move on to the seventh question. Let us have a look at this seventh question. Find the value of x for which distance between for which distance between the points x comma 4 and 9 comma 10 is 10 units. All right, so let me take this point A here. So this is x comma 4. All right, so I have sent this, and here is the point B, which is like 9 comma 10. All right, now this distance AB is there, no? This is 10 units. All right, now they are asking for this value of x. Now you know this formula, no? So AB is equal to, by using distance formula, what you can write, under root, and this is going to be 9 minus x whole square plus 10 minus 4 whole square. Dear children, I am telling you, you can do 9 minus x whole square plus 10 minus 4 whole square also. Otherwise, you can do x minus 9 whole square plus 4 minus 10 whole square also. Both are same. There is no difference at all. And AB is like 10, no? So that is 10, and that is equal to under root. It becomes 9 minus x whole square plus 10 minus 4 is 6. So it becomes 6 square. All right, so now let us send this square root this side. So if you send this square root this side, it becomes 10 square, and that is equal to 9 minus x whole square plus 36. All right, so 10 square is 100, and that is equal to 9 minus x whole square plus 36. All right, so afterwards what it becomes, 9 minus x whole square is equal to 100 minus 36. So it becomes 9 minus x whole square is equal to 100 minus 36 is it is 64, no? 10 minus 6 is 4, 1 is the carry, 10 minus 4 is 6. All right, so it becomes 9 minus x is equal to under root 64. All right, so now it becomes 9 minus x is equal to under root 64 means plus or minus 8. All right, now it takes two turn here, no? So what is that? That is like 9 minus x is equal to 8, and another one is 9 minus x is equal to, or you can use or also here. Okay, 9 minus x is equal to minus 8. All right, so it becomes, you are going to send that x that side. X is equal to 9 minus 8, so therefore the value of x is 1. All right, so and you are going to solve this also. So that is like x, you send that side, so that becomes x is equal to 9 plus 8, and the value of x is 17. Either x can be 1 or it can be 17 also. So for both the values, the distance is going to be 10 units. So if you want, you can verify that also. All right, so I think this question is also quite clear to you. Now let me give some as a homework to you, and you can comment the answers also. Ninth one, please take this as a homework. I think seventh question is over, no? Let us take this as eighth question. You comment the answer in the comment section. Eighth one, the point 3 comma y is equidistant. 3 comma y is equidistant from the points 6 comma 5 and 0 comma minus 3. All right, find the value of y. Okay, I have solved this kind of question before also. Now you comment this answer, okay, whatever you get for it, this 8th question. Take the 9th question also. The 9th question is like this: find the value of k if point 2 comma 4 is equidistant 2 comma 4 is equidistant from the points 5 comma k and k comma 7. This also ninth one you comment down the answer, and 10th question you do this question. Okay, I mean you will get complete feel of this. Show that the points minus 2 comma 3, 8 comma 3 and 6 comma 7 are the vertices of a right triangle. All right, so 8th one, 9th one, 10th one. 8th and 9th you are going to comment in the comment section, and this 10th question is there, you are going to prove it. If any doubts are there, then also you comment them. In the next video I'll be solving all your doubts of this 8th question, 9th question and 10th question. All right, dear children, I hope you got some insight into this chapter, coordinate geometry, and you must have enjoyed it. And if it was helpful to you, please like the video and share this video with your friends, so that good work reaches everyone. And comment the answers, and comment what you want to listen from our side. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so that all these educational videos of your 10th standard keep on reaching you. All right, thank you very much. Have a good day, and bye bye.